daughter had been served by our local ISD. And after she passed away, I started to take the skill set that I had initially, and I was put to work here. So I've been doing this for 20 years. Truthfully, the typical day is never a typical day. Every day you have to be flexible, you have to improvise, you have to complement, supplement, and kind of produce the IEP goals for the teacher. So there's no typical day, and you have to be really flexible. Typically it's a smaller set of group, 12 and under, in your classroom, and then you work kind of collaboratively with all sorts of other people that help you do that. So their aha moments could take anywhere from 1 day to 7 years. So some students can catch on right away, some students they take years to do something. And if you're with those students for an elongated period of time, and you get to see that moment happen, and then their families are excited, and their staff is excited, and their therapist is excited, they become your teachers at that point. You get to give to your community in a way that a lot of people don't have the privilege of doing. You serve these children in an intimate way that only their families know. So to be allowed into their world and allowed to support them is pretty cool.